The walk-around feature is designed so that the student must approach a specific part of the aircraft. Once the student is close enough, a dedicated indicator appears, displaying the name of the component being inspected. When the student looks at the component, a progress bar is displayed, indicating the inspection process and confirming completion once the check is finished. This solution not only provides a visual cue indicating which component is being inspected, but also teaches the student the name of that component. The walk-around solution is fully modular and allows aircraft components to be added or removed from the walk-around checklist, making it fully adaptable to changing regulations and the specific needs of our customers. All aircraft and vehicles are recreated with great attention to detail. This provides an excellent opportunity for students to study these machines in a safe virtual environment. We aim to place responsibility on the student to complete the assigned tasks. For example, during the walk-around, the student has the ability to mark the inspection as complete by pressing a button. The application will not prompt the student if some elements have not been checked. Once completed, inspected components are highlighted in green, while missed components are shown in red. This feature also enables the creation of a detailed list of inspected and missed elements after a lesson or exam is completed. This is one of the training modules available in our ground handling simulator. For information on this or other training solutions, please contact our team.